Hello, welcome to the Highway Pro. So on this video we are going to replacing the new crank seal. That's our crank where the seal sit. So yeah, so we are going to do the timing, and the main issue is the leaking from the seal. So that is our seal there, just fitting it on the crank seal position. And yeah, you have to do it gently. And this is our gear and our wood love key. So our seal is done, is in, and we are just have to put the crank gear, the main gear. So if you are new here, please be sure to like, subscribe, maybe comment, and yeah. So we are just putting our timing belt in particular order. Yeah. Checking the marks. Our cameraman was a little bit far, but the marks were aligned. Okay, so our marks are pointing with the fingers. Oh. And our tensioner at the back of the engine timing. And yeah, just have to adjust it using a 4-ring spanner, and leaving, you have to use the pivot, maybe the bar or something, to adjust and screw your tensioner tight. These timing belts need to be changed in every after maybe 100 kilometers. Also, you have to change your timing belt. We are just locking our engine. Yeah, please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you in advance. So promote our video by subscribing, and thank you for watching.